before you sign, you gotta watch this video from Imtilak Real Estate. The flat's features once delivered. After purchasing a flat, you might find different features from those written in the contract, and you should make sure of the information accordingly. First of all, when you buy from a construction company, then the missed features may not be missed on purpose. But when you buy from a person, then the missing features are likely missed on purpose. Therefore, you should consult an expert. 2. You should make sure of the continuity of the ownership of the flat owner. And that can be done by a document called title deed registration. In Turkish, tabu kaydı. 3. You absolutely should make sure that the building and the flat numbers are written in the contract as they are in reality. 4. If there is any electronic devices delivered with the flat, you should also make sure that they are written in the contract, because most of the projects in Turkey deliver electronic devices with the flats. 5. The net area of the flat. Keep in mind that every apartment has 3 different spaces, and here is what I mean. The net space, which is the usable space in the apartment. The total space, which is the wall's thickness. The stairs, the elevators, and the corridors are added. The full space, which includes the net and the total space of the apartments with all other facilities. It's known in Turkey that apartments are sold according to the full space. Therefore, you should make sure that you are buying according to the net space. Finally, we'd like to tell you that all the sample flats in the projects concentrate on furniture and finishing, not the space. Keep in mind. Thank you very much for watching and see you next video.